Take a ride in the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.